Assalamu alaikum to all viewers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about the enzyme, and the metabolism. So let's start it. You can see here. First of all, here is the introduction, a basic introduction of the content. You can see here the introduction to enzymes, how enzymes work, enzymes kinetics as an approach to understanding mechanism, example of enzymatic reaction. Also, you can see here regulatory enzymes. Now I go to the next page and you can see here the intro to enzyme mechanism and in understanding of the complete mechanism of action of a purified enzymes requires identification of all substrates, cofactors, product and regulators. Moreover, it requires the knowledge of one the temporal sequence in which enzyme bound reaction intermediate form to the structure of each intermediate and each transition state 3. The rates of interconversion between intermediates for the structural relationship uh, of the enzymes to each intermediate, and 5 the energy contributed by all reacting and interacting group to intermediate complexes and transition states. As yet there is probably no enzymes for which all of these features are completely known. However, many of these mechanism aspects have been established for enzymes such as chymotrypsin, which will be the focus of our discussion of enzymes mechanism. The structure of bovine is a protease or enzyme that catalyzes the hydrolytic cleavage of peptide bound in target protein cities, specific for peptide bound adjacent to aromatic amino acid residues. A cleavage occurs on the C-terminal side of these residues. The three-dimensional structure of CT 19 with the functional group in the active group emphasized. The protein consists of three polypeptide chains linked by disulfide. The three chains are derived by proteolytic processing of a slightly longer pre-protein known as chromatide, as explained. The key catalytic residues of the active site are brought together in three-dimensional space in the tertiary structure, the hydrophobic pocket in which the aromatic amino acid side chain of the substrate is bound is highlighted in yellow. Also, you can see here intro to the city reaction mechanism. The reaction catalyzed by city illustration, the principle of transition state stabilization, and also provide a classic example of general acid base catalysis and covalent catalysis. CT enhances the rate of peptide bound hydrolysis by a factor of at least 10 by 9. It does not catalyze a direct attack of water on the peptide bound. Instead, a transient covalent HL. Also, you can see here a regulatory enzymes. An enzyme is a biochemical pathway which through its responses to the presence of certain other biomolecules regulates the pathway activity. This is usually done for a pathway whose products may be needed in different amounts at different times, such as hormone production. Regulatory enzymes are usually the enzymes that are rate limiting or committed steps in a pathway, meaning that after this step a particular reaction pathway will go to the completion. Regulatory enzymes are near initial steps in a pathway, are part of a branch point or crossover point between pathways where a metabolite can be potentially converted into several products in different pathways. In general, a cell needs to conserve energy. Therefore, a costly biosynthetic reaction pathway will not be operational unless a particular metabolite is required at a given time. Regulatory enzymes control overall quantities for enzymes of concentration of substrates present or lead to alteration of catalytic efficiency of the enzymes. Also, you can see here type of regulatory enzymes.